as you know that when we are talking about external load balancer, we have to choose third-party load balancer. Now we have many load balancers available in the market, but for our training, we are going to choose NGINX. Why I am using NGINX? Because NGINX is actually most widely used and most scalable load balancer. So, in our lab, we are going to use NGINX. Before we are going to jump for the lab, I want you to understand what is NGINX. So, let's start NGINX as a external load balancer. Introduction. NGINX is a powerful high-performance load balancer and reverse proxy server widely used in industry to manage and distributing incoming traffic to the backend service. Here I have a picture. Now let's say that you are a normal user of your application and you are sitting over here with your laptop. Now if you want to open app 1, what you will do, you will send this request to the load balancer. Now this load balancer will consider this as a incoming request. And then load balancer will distribute this request among any of the Docker container or the task which is running inside that Docker container, right? So this is like load balancing functionality, and NGINX is actually most powerful tool to support this functionality. When used as an external load balancer for Docker Swarm, NGINX ensures that traffic is efficiently distributed among multiple containers running in the Swarm, provide high availability and reliability for your application. So this is like a NGINX use case. Now here, why we are using NGINX? So I'm going to talk about key features and benefits of NGINX. First, proven reliability. NGINX is a battle-tested solution that is widely adopted in industry for its reliability and robustness. You know, we are using this from years, and it is very easy to set up NGINX, as well as the biggest advantage is reliability. It can able to handle any types of load, and that's why we are also using this NGINX for our lab. Performance optimization. Its high performance and efficient resource usage ensure that load balancer can handle significant traffic without becoming bottleneck. The third advantage we have is feature set. The combination of advanced load balancing algorithm like SSL TLS termination, health checks and extensive logging make NGINX versatile tools for management traffic. You know, if you have tool which is actually having proven reliability, performance optimization, it is scalable, but if it is not going to support latest security features, then we are not going to use this, right? But with the NGINX, we don't have this case. It is actually supporting most of the feature sets available in the market. Then, ease of use, NGINX flexible configuration and ease of integration with Docker cluster make it practical choice for both simple and complex deployment scenario. Now you don't need to worry about this. I'm not going to talk about anything because you will feel this when we will go for the lab.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Power Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.